Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rahat. Do subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon. Here I have created this brown smoky eye look today. I haven't used a lot of shadows, so this is really easy to achieve. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So as you can see, I have already primed my eyes here with some concealer and loose powder. So I'm just zooming you in so that you can see me better. Now I'm gonna take an eyeshadow palette. This is from Wet n Wild, and for my transition shade I'm taking that color from the palette. After transition shade, I'm taking this palette 24K by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna take that dark brown shade from the palette. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush like this, and I'm just gonna pick up that color and start applying it on my entire lid. Now with a clean blending brush, I'm just gonna blend that out, and I'll make sure that there are no harsh edges. I'm gonna take the same shade and apply that into my lower lash line as well, like so. And I'm gonna blend that out very nicely. I had to go like 3 to 4 times back and forth, and then only I got my desired color. Now our eyeshadows are blended, so here I'm just curling my lashes. Next I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is Lakme Absolute. I'm just gonna coat 1 or 2 times because I'm gonna wear falsies. If you are not gonna wear falsies, you can apply like 2-3 coats. These are the lashes which I'm gonna wear, so here they are. So after this we'll do our base. Here I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 115 IRE. I had already primed and moisturized my skin, so I'm directly going with my foundation. Next I'm gonna set my foundation with some compact powder. Here I have taken Fit Me again. This is the newest version of Fit Me, so I'm just setting my face with it. Now to give some depth to our face, I'm just gonna take this Savannah palette, and I'm just taking that bronzing shade from the palette. I know it's been used a lot, and but still I could just pick up a little bit, so I'm just bronzing up my face here. Next I'm taking these two shades as a blush, so I'm just gonna pop it like that. And don't forget to smile while you apply your blush. Now I'm gonna set my makeup. I'm taking this DIY makeup fixer. I have shared the video, you can just have a look. Now I'm taking this highlighting shade from the same Sivana palette, and I'm just gonna highlight my usual areas how I do, like so. Now I'm just gonna line my lips. This is a Wet n Wild lip pencil. I'll give you the shade name in the description box. This is a nude shade, and I'm just gonna line my lips, also fill in. For lipstick today, I'm taking this NYX lipstick, and again I'll give you the shade name in description box. So here I have taken the footage in daylight. This is how the makeup turned out, and I'm very happy with this look. Alright you guys, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and press the bell icon next to it. If you like this video guys, and you decide to recreate it, do tag me on Instagram. I'll give my Instagram handle in the description box. And yeah, thanks for your support you guys. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.